Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on the economies of colonial America, specifically how the geographic regions, or I should say the realities of where they lived, impacted the economic development of the northern, southern, and middle colonies. So, this first page in this assignment focuses on a checklist. This is optional for students. You could use this checklist to check off all the different activities that we're doing based on this lesson. All you would simply do is click on the icon box, and then there will be a feature that appears where you could check off once you finish the activity. I'll run you through that if you'd like to use the checklist, but it's just for a reference point. Okay? Now, the first activity is something we're going to do together. It's going to be a brain dump. I'm going to give you a series of situations and scenarios, and you're going to indicate which person or situation would best fit and where would you want to live. So, for example, if you wanted to be a fisherman, would you move to the desert in Arizona? Why or why not? If you wanted to be a dairy farmer, would you live in New York City? Why or why not? Now, remember we said New York City, not the rural areas of New York. And how can your environment and geography impact your economic activity? So we're going to make a connection between the geographic reality of certain regions and how that plays in a role in the economic development of that region. Okay? Once we have that discussion and we do that together, then we're going to get into analyzing the economic systems of all 13 colonies. Now remember, the 13 colonies were divided into three regions: New England, which is here, we have the middle colonies, and we have the southern colonies. Okay? In the previous activity, we should be able to name these colonies now. Okay? There's also another infograph which talks about the exports of the various colonies. So you have the New England colonies, their exports. And from that information, you're going to do a what do I see, what question do I have, and what hypothesis. What can you conclude based on the information provided? Now, the remaining activities also focus on the exports of the middle colonies and the southern colonies. So we want to get you guys to have a sense of some of the things that they traded in and how that would impact the development of these colonies. So this is going to be the first lesson we're going to be doing for this unit, this topic of the economies of the colonies. And then we're going to talk about these analysis questions relating to your assessment of the infographics provided. So please look over the information, and then we will start working on this activity. Thank you very much.